Hey there, in this tutorial I will show you how to see if someone is logged into your Instagram account. If you're concerned that someone else is logged into your Instagram account, and potentially using it, then we can go and see it. So let's start how to see it. After logging your Instagram account, click on your profile icon in the bottom right. And then go to the top right and press the 3 lines. In Settings and Activity, press Account Center at the top. Now from the account settings, press on Password and Security. In Security, press on where you're logged in. By looking at these lists, you can easily understand whether you have entered the devices or someone else has. If a device thinks it's not yours, you know someone else is accessing your account without your knowledge. In such a situation, the first thing you should do is change your account password. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.